Good morning, YouTube. This is Raymond with RV Catfishing, out here on another beautiful Sunday. Had a little bit of a cold front come in. Temperatures dropped about maybe 10 degrees, but water temperatures are still in the 70s. So that's good, but we're out here going to be doing some suspend drift fishing for catfish as usual. Got mackerel on one pole, sardine on the other. But we're going to get this morning started. Stay tuned. Fish on. Fish on the mackerel. He's not going to be a big guy. Ooh. Alright, look at that. Fish on. Fish on. Just a little dinker, and it is something. See if we can get a good release here. And away he goes. Alright. Oh man, that was a good hit right there. Please tell me I got that on. Dang, they just smashed it. Fish on. I think that's the biggest one of the day, maybe. He's doing some talking. I think that might be the biggest one of the day. I think that's number 4. See if we can get a good release on this one. And away he goes. Still having a good time. There it goes. Still hitting. Drift, I'm shocked. Oh man. Alright, now fish on. Now he's on. Alright. Oh, not bad. Not bad. Here we go. Ooh, he's whisker hooked. But I got it. I got it. Just a bunch of little guys today. There we go. Another nice little kitty cat. Sorry for the motor noise. This trolling motor on high speed can be a little loud, but this is the end of the day. Got 4 fish. I think only 3 made it onto the video. Oh, we came out here and had a good time. The wind is just ridiculous. But we came out here and we got it done. We got some fish. tons of bites, tons of action, and had a really great day. I live for these Sundays and getting out on the water. But now we're going to call it quits, and we'll see you again next Sunday. Have a good one.